Okay, welcome back. In the last class, I have done basics on mensuration, where I have taught cylinder, and through PDF I have given hollow cylinder, cone, and yesterday I have sent sphere, hemisphere, hollow sphere and hollow hemisphere. So from today we will do the important question, and please revise whatever question I will do here and whatever question I have sent in PDF. So today's first question is ICSE 2017. In this question, a conical tent is accommodate 77%. Each person must have 16 meter cube of air to breathe. Now this is very important. A conical tent is to accommodate 77%. Okay. So for one person, air is taking 60 meter cube. That means volume will be 77 into 16. Either you multiply this or leave in this form, it's up to you. And radius is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. Find the height of the tent. That means you have to find out height as well as curved surface area. Now first find out height by using volume. So we know that volume equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is 77 into 16 equals to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into h. Okay. Now these two will get cancelled. After that 77 into 16 into 3 divided by 22 into 7 equals to h. Now 7 11s are 77, 11 2s are 22, 2 8s are 16, 8 3s are 24. That means height is 24 meter. So after that you have to find out curved surface area, and I have given the formula. Curved surface area means pi r l, where l is slant height and the formula for L is simply Pythagoras theorem. L square equals to r square plus h square. L square equals to r square plus h square. What is r? R is 7. 7 square plus height is 24 square. L square equals to 49 plus 24 square. 24 into 24 is 576. So L square equals to 625. L equals to under root 625, that is 25 centimeter. Now you can find out curved surface area. So curved surface area is pi r l. The value of pi here is 22 by 7 into radius. 7 into L is 25. These two will get cancelled. If you multiply 22 into 25, you will get 550. 550 centimeter square. Okay. Now with the help of this ICSE 2017, you please try ICSE 2008. Question is there in your PDF. Okay. So next question I'll do is ICSE 2011. From here all the questions are same and all the questions are important. ICSE 2011, ICSE 2005, ICSE 2016, all the questions are same. Now ICSE 2011. A solid cone of radius, radius is 5 centimeters, and height equals to 8 centimeter. Height equals to 8 centimeter and made into small spheres whose radius is 0.5 centimeter, find the number of spheres. That means you have to find out number. Now always remember, whatever is unknown, always both the volumes will be equal. Here volume of cone equals to volume of sphere into x. Why into x? Because you have to find out number. Okay. So write volume of cone equals to volume of sphere into x. Why into x? Because you have to find out the number of cones, okay? Sorry, number of spheres. After that, formula 1 by 3 pi r square h equals to volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube into x. Here these 3 and these 3 will get cancelled. This pi and this pi will get cancelled. Now you cannot cancel radius because both these values are different. So radius of cone is 5 into height is 8 equals to 4 into r. R means here 5. Write 0.5 3 times. 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into x. Now if you multiply this, your number will be huge, okay? So no need to multiply, it will be difficult in calculation. So write 5 into 5 into 8 divided by 4 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Remove this decimal, write 10. Again this, write another 10. Again this, write another 10. So this 5 and this 5 cancel, this 5 and this 5 cancel, okay? After that, 5 2s are 10, okay? 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 100 is 400. That means 400 spheres will meet. This is ICSE 2011. This is ICSE 2011. Okay, one more question will do. One more question will do. Same question. ICSE 2011. Sorry, ICSE 2012. ICSE 2012. A hollow sphere. Here it is not sphere, a hollow sphere. Okay, hollow sphere. Hollow sphere of internal and external radius 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter is melted and recast into small cone. Recast into small cone, okay? Melted and formed into cone of radius 2 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. Find the number of cones. Let the number of cones be x. Now, hollow sphere whose external and internal, that means capital R is 8 centimeter, small r is 6 centimeter, okay? After that, cone, radius is 2 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Now you have to find out the number of cones, which is x. Here also volume will be equal. Volume of hollow sphere equals to volume of cone into x. Now hollow sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h into x. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. Now 4 into r cube means 8. 8 cube minus 6 cube equals to radius 2 into 2 into height is 8 into x. 2 2s are 4 and 4. This also you can cancel. Now 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8 is 512. Minus 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6 is 216 equals to 8x. Now subtract this. 512 minus 216. 12 minus 6. 6. 10 minus 1. 9. 296. So 296 equals to 8x. 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 8 7s are 56. That means 37 cone will be made. Now next question. ICSE 2010. Always remember both the volumes will be equal. That's all. 2010. A hemispherical bowl means hemisphere. A hemispherical bowl of diameter. Diameter means full. Suppose this is AB's diameter, whose value is 7.2 centimeter, is filled completely with chocolate sauce, and this sauce is poured into an inverted cone. Again, inverted cone and cone is same. Inverted cone whose radius is 4.8 centimeter. Whose radius is 4.8 centimeter. You have to find out the height of the cone. Again, in this case also, both the volumes will be equal. Both the volumes means which two? Hemisphere and cone. So, how are you going to write? Volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere equals to volume of cone. Here you cannot write into x because height itself is unknown. Now, hemisphere formula is very important. 2 by 3 pi r cube equals to volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. These three will get cancelled. Pi will get cancelled. Now 2 into, see, diameter is 7.2, radius means half. If diameter is 7.2, so obviously radius will be half of 7.2, that is 3.6. 3.6 into 3.6 into 3.6 equals to, radius is 4.8 into 4.8 into h. Height is unknown. Now, no need to multiply. 2 into 3.6 into 3.6 into 3.6 divided by 4.8 into 4.8 equals to height. Now, this will go, equal, this will go, equal, 3.6, you can write 10. Now, 6 6 are 36, 6 8 are 48, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. Again, 6 6 are 6 8 are 2 3 are 6, 2 18 are 2 4 are, okay, 2 9 are 2 2 are. If you multiply, if you solve it, you will get 4.05 is equal to h, which is the answer. Now, next number is ICSE 2000 and ICSE 2014. Both the questions are same. In this chapter, the value of pi is very important. Whatever the value of pi is given, you have to take that value. Okay. Otherwise, calculation portion will be difficult. 2014 and 2000, both the questions are same. Here, 2014, the surface area of a solid metallic sphere is 2464. Here, everything is same. Volume of sphere equals to volume of cone. That also you have to do. You have to find out number of cones. But in the first part, you have to find out radius of sphere, that is unknown, by using surface area. Okay. So, surface area equals to 4 pi r square, and surface area is given, which is 2464. 2464 equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. 2464 into 7 divided by 4 into 22 equals to r square. You can cancel by 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. 23, 24. Again 11 2s are 22. 23, 24, 25, 26. 11 4s are 44. Again 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, okay. Again 2 28s are, that means 7 196. 196 equals to r square, under root 196 is equal to r, that is 14 is equal to r. After that you have to find out the number of cones, okay. After that you have to find out the number of cones. Again, volume of sphere equals to volume of cone into x. So what is the formula for volume of sphere? And please learn the formula. Without formula, this chapter is not possible. 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h into x. This and this will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled. Now 4 into 14 into 14 into 14 equals to what is the radius of cone? Radius of cone is 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. What is the height? Height is 7 into x. Now 4 into 14 into 14 into 14 divided by 3.5 into 3.5 into 7 equals to x. Remove this, 1 0. Again remove this, you can write anywhere into 10. Okay. Now calculate this. 7 5 ja, 7 2 ja, 7 5 ja, 7 2 ja. Again 5 2 ja, 5 2 ja, 7 2 ja. Multiply everything, you will get 128 equals to x. Now last question, ICSE 2016. All the questions are same. Please learn all the formula and please improve your calculation. Only two things is required in mensuration. Okay. ICSE 2016. A certain number of metallic cones, each of radius 2 centimeter and height 3 centimeter, are melted and recast into solid sphere. See, this is also same thing. Whose radius is 6 centimeter. Find the number of cones. Again, there is one sphere and there is one cone. You have to find out the number which is x. Okay. Again, both the volumes will be equal. Volume of sphere equals to volume of cone. Volume of cone into x. After that, sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h into x. These two will get cancelled. So what is the radius of sphere? Which is 6. 4 into 6 into 6 into 6 equals to, what is the radius of cone? 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into, what is height? Height is 3 into x. Now 4 into 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 2 into 2 into 3 equals to x. 2 2s are 4. These two and these two will get cancelled. Now 3 2s are 6. Now multiply it. 2 6 are 12. 12 6 are 72 equals to x. This much for today. Please do whatever question I have not done in that PDF. Okay. So in next class we will do another important question from mensuration which carries 4 marks, and whatever you have done today, it is for 3 marks. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.